Code of Federal Regulation CFR. Definition. Before we are getting into the definition, we need to know what is meant by codification and federal registration. Codification mean collection of law of a state or a country. Federal registration means is the official publication that contains rules, regulations, and other legal notices. The definition of the Code of Federal Regulation CFR is the codification of the general and permanent rules and regulations published in Federal registration by the executive departments and agencies of the federal government of the United States. The Code of Federal Regulation CFR is published by the Office of Federal Regulation OFA, National Archives and Record Administrations NARA, and Government Publishing Office. The CFR Code of Federal Regulation is divided into 50 titles that represent broad areas subject to federal regulation. Each title is divided into chapters, subchapters, parts, and sections. CFR Code of Federal Regulation is updated every year. List of Code of Federal Regulation CFR. Title 21 of the CFR Code of Federal Regulation is reserved for rules of the Food and Drug Administration FDA. Electronic Code of Federal Regulation. The Office of the Federal Register also keeps an unofficial online version of CFR Code of Federal Regulation, which is normally updated within 2 days after changes that have been published in the Federal Register become effective. Title 21 Food and Drug. Title 21 of the Code of Federal Regulation CFR is reserved for rules of Food and Drug Administration FDA. It is divided into 3 chapters. Chapter 1 Food and Drug Administration. Most of the Chapter 1 regulations are based on the Federal Food, Drug and Cosmetic Act. Chapter 2 Drug Enforcement Administration, and Chapter 3 Office of National Drug Control Policy.